Box this truck excavator. This is the cheapest excavator, RC excavator with wire. This is for under 8 or matlab 8 years above. In my first video I will show you the full review of this truck, and the giveaway is also. So make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So let's look at this truck. So you have there are in back of manual. This is a wire truck, not a remote. This is also a remote control but a wired control. Forward back machines under the hands of the wings is also contains 4 AA type batteries. So there are warnings. So this is not as heavy for works, but best gift for your kids. So let's go, we will unbox this. Here I'm going to unbox this, pulling out from the box. I think it's heavy. I will pull it out from the box, show you the result, how can it works, or it's the best gift for your kids. Let me unbox it. Finally, excavator is from out of the box. Let's take a look at this. Here we go. This is the actual look of the truck, and this is the remote control. There are 4 types of 3 gears, and there are a 1 button. It contains 4 AA type batteries, you can see. So let's try. Let's try in mud. This is only for kids, not for heavy work, but it looks good to control this truck. You can carry small things on this, and your kid will be happy to get this for gift. This is the best gift in just $10. So make sure you have to subscribe our YouTube channel and let me know in comments what do you think of this $10 excavator. So I am giving this to 1 lucky subscriber. After reaching 1K subscribers, the giveaway will be active. So finally we will test this in mud also and watch how much weight it can carry and drop to the outside. So make sure you have to subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates. Goodbye.